Nagaliang jong DC jong ka East Kasil District, Wabilash Baranwal IS, ha ka Arplay Trek jong ka Si Ublay, Huloong, pagkajing shngaiñ, pagkajiyada, ikipait pa jong ka Shillong, kalong kabinta kabakong santam, jong ka District Administration. Kumta lapin klan, yakajingdon, jong kibor pahara, bat kikinuhun pulip, jong ka CAPF, ha kibinta, bapir, jong ka nongbah. But kani kanyay piteng hadu bakipait ba kinsultu but kadisong shngaiñ kalabyang.
You have rightly mentioned that a lot of patrolling is going on, and in my previous press brief also I mentioned that 5 companies of CAPF were called, and the overall commitment of district administration is to ensure and give a feel of safety and security to all citizens of and residents of Shillong and East Khasi Hills. So that's why you see all these patrolling and the considerably larger presence of security deployment across the city, and will continue to do that until the time that the citizens of Shillong feel safe and secure. So they have also received multiple such messages from across the country that wherein they are saying that don't go to Shillong and all. The only message that I've given them is that please come to Shillong. It's entirely safe. Don't judge a city because of one isolated incident. The people of East Khasi Hills and Shillong welcome them with open arms, and they are most welcome as tourists. Shillong is upcoming as one of the hottest tourist destination across the country and globe, and we want them here. We want to welcome them, and please don't judge Shillong. Tourism department has also given a dedicated helpline number for all the tourists, and we are always there for whatever assistance is needed. So what's the preparations are similar to as what was the preparation on 21st. We are going to make sure that, and since the assembly is also starting, High Court also has a hearing on the same matter, we are committed to ensure that the law and order of the city is not disturbed. In light of the incident that happened on 19th, unfortunately, we have denied so we have basically expressed regret to the organization that we won't be able to give them the permission to have a sit-in demonstration on 24th.